Everyone, in this video we are discuss important terms in a lease agreement. A lease or rent agreement set out the rules lessors and lessee agree to follow in their lease relationship. It is a legal contract and an immensely practical document full of crucial businesses details such as how long the tenant can occupy the property and the amount of rent due each month. The lease agreement needs to cover the tenancy basics terms irrespective of whether it is handwritten or type form. Name of all tenants. Every adult who live in the rent unit, including both member of a married or unmarried couple, should be named lessees and sign the lease agreement. This makes each lessee legally responsible for all terms including the full amount of a lease and the proper use of the property. Occupancy limits. The agreement should specify that the rental unit can be occupied only by the lessees who have signed the lease and their minor children. This guarantees the lessor right to determine the property possession terms of the tenancy. Every rent document should state whether it is a rental agreement or a fixed term lease. Rent agreement usually run from month to month and self-review unless terminated by the landlord or tenant. Rent. The lease agreement should specify the amount of rent which is when it is due, typically the first of the month, and how it is to be paid, such as by mail to the office of the property owners. Acceptable payments methods such as the personal check only. Whether late fees will be due if rent is not paid on time, the amount of the fees, and whether there is any grace period and any change if a rent check bounce. Deposit and fees. The use and return of securities deposit is a frequent frictions between lessors and lessee. To avoid confusion and legal difficulties, the lease agreement should be clear on the time, use and return of deposits, including the dollar amount of the security deposit must comply with the respective state laws for setting up maximum amount. How the lessor utilize the deposit. Example for damage repair and the activity prohibited for the tenant, such as applying it to last month rent. Thank you.